Hello and good afternoon, doctor. My name is Imad, and in this video I'll be interpreting the results that I have got from my study. But before doing so, I will start first with a simple intro. So my study is basically about the factors that affect the newborn baby's physical characteristics in regard to their mother's physical and behavioral characteristics. So I wish to test if the mother's physical and behavioral characteristics affect the newborn baby's physical characteristic. So methodology being used in this report is that I have collected a secondary dataset from an online source, and I have applied several tests to it to test the factors. So tests have been applied in this report are hypothesis testing to sample, correlation, regression, and chi-square test of independence. So I will briefly explain my dataset. So the dataset that I have got was in a text file and unprocessed. It was a raw dataset, so I had to clean up the data and store it in an Excel file, CSV file, in order for me to easily use in our language. So datasets have several variables such as the baby's birth weight, mother smoking status, pregnancy period, mother height, and baby length, and so on and so forth. So going to the data analysis, I will start first with the hypothesis testing to sample. So in this test, we wish to determine whether there is a difference between the mean of the smoking mother's newborn baby's weight and the mean of non-smoking mother's newborn baby's weight under the t-test 5% significant level. So after conducting the test, I have come to conclusion that the mean for the newborn baby's weight, home mothers don't smoke, and the mean for newborn baby's weight, home mother smokes, are different, which indicate that there are some factors that affect the values. So secondly, we'll go to the correlation test. For this test, I want to test if there is a linear relationship between the mother pregnancy period and the birth weight. So at the 5% significant level. So after conducting the test, I have found that there is a linear relationship between the two variables, and looking at the scatter plot, we can generally say that there is a positive linear relationship at values goes from the bottom corner to the upper corner here, so it increases significantly. Looking at the R value, it's 0.7062, which indicates that there is a moderate positive relationship between the two variables tested, meaning that as the pregnancy period increases, the weight of the child increases as well. Okay, going forward to the regression, for this test, I have chosen the dependent variable y as the baby length, and the independent variable x is the mother height. So I wanted to test if there is a relationship between mother height and baby length. I have got the least square regression equation of 8.26 plus 0.18x. Looking at the scatter plot here, we can see that there is a positive relationship. Basically, as the mother height increases, the baby length increases. And finally, going to the independent chi-square. So in this test, I wanted to test if the baby's birth weight and mother smoking status are independent or they are dependent. So getting the x squared value of 2.6 3.886, while the critical value was 3.814. Therefore, we fail to reject the null hypothesis, which is indicate that the two variables, which are the baby's birth weight and mother smoking status, are independent of each other. The smoking habit doesn't affect the birth weight. Finally, in conclusion, I can say that baby's physical characteristics are affected by lots of factors. However, based on the study conducted above, we could generally say that the mean of the low birth weight babies home mothers observed to be smoking is different from the mean of low birth weight babies home mother observed not to be smoking. As a result, we have analyzed all factors that may influence the baby's physical characteristic. We found out the low birth weight is mostly caused by being born early, as there is a positive relationship between the two variables. As mother pregnancy period increases, the newborn baby weight increases. We have also found out that the baby's length is affected by the mother height. As the mother height increases, the length of the baby increases. Finally, we figure out that there is no relationship between the mother's smoking status and baby's low birth weight. And that's all for me. Thank you for listening, and that's it. يا رب يكون